Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage your ad preferences in Duolingo. First, you have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu where we have our courses, where we can continue on learning. From here we just go into the profile menu, the face in the middle of the screen. And then we go into the top right corner and tap on the cog icon. Then here under account, we tap on privacy settings, and then we tap on manage ad preferences. Here we can look at the things that Duolingo is basing its ads upon. Like, why does it recommend some things for us? Why does it show some kinds of ads for us? And here we can consent or just tap on do not consent to these, and then we can manage our ads. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.